Alright guys, it's Go the Great, and you guys saw maybe a couple of months ago I acquired the blue switches. It's a Ducky that I have with blue switches. Just recently, it's funny because originally when I wanted to get a mechanical keyboard, I was looking at the Rosewill brand and it was sold out on Newegg.com. So I actually was talking with some co-workers and became aware of the fact that Newegg has restocked their mechanical keyboards. So I went ahead and picked up a Rosewill mechanical keyboard, and this is actually brown switches. I originally wanted to go with blue again, but I said, screw it, I have blues already, which I use at work because I do a lot of typing at work, and I figured I'd get some browns for home. So let's go ahead and unbox my brand new mechanical keyboard from Rosewill with cherry brown switches. Alright, opening it up here, the first thing we have is paper with the technical specification. Goes on to show you how the switch works, and that's pretty much it. Put that to the side. And here we have the actual keyboard. We'll just put that there for the moment. Bring this backward and let's see what this has. Okay, so it appears that we have the PS2 to mini USB connector on this one cable. Put that to the side. Second cable is USB to mini USB cable. So that's actually really nice that instead of giving you a conversion, they just give you a choice of using which cable you want. So that's it. There's nothing else in this box. We'll go ahead and close it up. And let's bring out the star of the show, which is the mechanical keyboard. Now, something to note, a lot of people are saying that these are just simply rebranded Philco keyboards, and based on the build quality, based on the feel, it does feel like it is a Philco, because I've actually used the cherry brown that my coworker has, and this feels and looks just like it. That's the cherry brown. It still has that tactile feel. You can definitely tell that you're using a mechanical keyboard, the way the switches feel when you push down, the amount of pressure it takes. To note, there is a kind of a red background behind the keys here. And keyboard, it's not as heavy as my Ducky, I will say that. And of course, because my Ducky has blue switches, it's a lot louder and clicky. Still tactile. The browns, they're a little softer. You still have the tactile feel, but the clicky is a lot less pronounced, which is the clicky feeling being the clicky sound, not feeling. The clicky feeling, the clicky sound and the tactile feeling is what the blues are known for, and I figured since I typed a lot at work, the blues would work well for work, and I'd get these browns for home. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of the Rosewill mechanical keyboard with cherry brown switches. This model is specifically, I don't see it here, but I will put the model at the title of the video. But yes, this is the cherry brown switch. I love how they feel, I love how they sound, and it's nice having comparisons between the Ducky and the Rosewill. Anyway, I'm Go the Great, and that's been my unboxing. I will see you guys soon. Peace.